Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Do a video walkthrough of our 2024 Bennington L series 22-foot boat. This boat has the radius seating, and we did the silver with the blue interior. This boat has the the cutouts right here, lit cup holders, nice big bench seats up front. It does have place for a table and in-floor storage. In the radius seating, you get the long bench seat back here, storage under all the seats, lots of cup holders. Coming up here, you got the ski tow bar, got a bimini with 10 foot of coverage coming around, and then a really nice helm area. Garmin. This will have, all right, take a look there. This will have the Mercury 200 on it. Awesome boat. Bennington 22-foot L, ski tow bar, tri-tune. Come on out to MarineMax in Greenville. We'll have this boat in the showroom with lots of other Benningtons to come and look at. We're going to put it up online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.